Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 medium carrot, 1/4 of a cauliflower, and half a small bowl of green peas. Also, prepare 1 medium capsicum, 1 inch of fresh ginger, and 2 generous tablespoons of butter. For seasoning and thickening, have 1 tablespoon of corn flour, half a small spoon each of black and white pepper, and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce ready. Don't forget salt to taste, half a lemon, and 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander. Now let's get our vegetables ready for cooking. First, thoroughly wash and finely chop all your selected vegetables. Next, grate the 1-inch piece of ginger, or if preferred, use 1 small spoon of ginger paste. In a separate bowl, combine 1 large spoon of corn flour with 2 large spoons of water, stirring well until you achieve a smooth, lump-free paste. This corn flour mixture is crucial for thickening our delicious soup. It's time to start cooking. Begin by heating 2 large spoons of butter in a heavy-bottomed utensil over a medium-low flame. Once melted, add the ginger paste and all your finely chopped vegetables. Sauté them gently for about 2 minutes. Then, cover the utensil and let the vegetables cook for an additional 2 minutes on low heat. Finally, pour in 600 grams of water, the prepared corn flour paste, black pepper, white pepper, chili sauce, and salt. To finish our wonderful soup, continue stirring until it boils, then reduce the flame and let it simmer for another 3 to 4 minutes. Once cooked, turn off the burner. Stir in the fresh juice from half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander, and a small amount of extra butter for a rich flavor. Your hot and fresh mixed vegetable soup is now ready to be served and enjoyed. It's perfect as a starter or a light meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.